In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to establish secure connection to Zoom. If you're seeing that message when you try to join or start a meeting, the most common culprits are a stuck Zoom process in the background or a momentary network hiccup. We'll clear the app completely and then refresh your connection so Zoom can negotiate a secure link again. First, fully stop Zoom from running in the background. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. If you prefer, you can also right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything named Zoom, such as Zoom Meetings or Zoom.txt. Select each instance you find and click End Task. If you see a Zoom icon in the system tray near the clock, right-click it and choose Exit to make sure it's closed. On Mac OS, press Command plus Option plus ESC to open Force Quit, select Zoom and click Force Quit. For a thorough stop on Mac, you can also open Activity Monitor, search for Zoom.us or Zoom, select the process and click the X to quit. Before you end tasks, make sure you've saved any work